Shooting light, and about 10 minutes later we had a bird flopping, and there's a really nice tom out in the field yet. It was a good time.
Yeah. Tom stuck around for, it's still out there. He's been sticking around for probably 10 minutes and counting.
Holy.
Nice. Two hammers or what?
Oh my god, dude.
Dude, this.
He's got pretty nice hooks.
Oh my gosh, yeah, he does.
But that beard.
Another hammer beard?
Just a hammer beard, man. Mighty dude, huh?
A freaking double beard.
It's my first double beard.
Textbook. So technically it's a...
I went up there. I didn't know how to get in there. It's a 16-inch beard.